Did you know octopuses can actually taste with their arms? It's true. Each of their 8 arms is lined with thousands of sensitive cells that can detect chemicals in the water. This means they can literally taste their surroundings as they explore. Imagine reaching out to touch something and instantly knowing if it's edible or not. These incredible creatures use this ability to hunt and interact with their environment. When an octopus grabs a shellfish, it can taste it right away, helping it decide whether to eat it or move on. Plus, their arms are incredibly dexterous, allowing them to manipulate objects with remarkable precision. So, the next time you think about octopuses, remember, they're not just masters of camouflage and escape, they're also gourmet chefs in the underwater world, tasting their way through life.